Hello friends, welcome to ShareOLogic. In this channel, we bring to you the top 7 FNO stocks which are going to give us good trading opportunities this week. Today we are going to discuss the following stocks: HINDALCO, JK Cement, Soba, Bharti Airtel, Titan, Ambuja and Havels. All these stocks have been shortlisted based on certain patterns and parameters. Let us go to the TradingView terminal and analyze these stocks. Let us see the HINDALCO chart. Here we can see that there is a harmonic pattern which is almost 80% done, and we believe that from the existing levels the stock has potential to go to the level of 535, and if we see a reversal candle, then the stock might retest the level of 485. Here we can see that the stock is making higher lows, which is a very bullish pattern. Now it is resting at the level of 508, wherein previously also this level has acted as resistance. Once this level is taken out, a target of 535 is very realistic, and once this level is crossed, the next target will be 547. Let us see the Ichimoku analysis as well. Clearly we can see that the candle has crossed the cloud. We have a green cloud ahead. The lagging span is over the clouds, and the breakout of the baseline and the conversion line has already happened previously. So we feel that once there is a breakout above 508 levels, we can see the levels of 535 in near future. Let us go to our next stock, which is JK Cement. In JK Cement, we can see that the stock is consolidating from a long time. If we make a channel out here, we can clearly see that the stock has been in the range of 3,000 to 3,700. Now, from the month of October, we also see a formation of a rectangle pattern. This stock has now spent a lot of time on the top level of the triangle, but if we see the RSI does not look strong. But in case the stock closes at a level above 3577 and the RSI too closes above this level, this slanting line, then we can trade up to a level, first level of 3618 and then subsequently the above level of 3800. Let us see the Ichimoku cloud analysis. So the stock has been taking support on the cloud, which is good. Here the cloud is still reddish. Maybe we can wait till it turns green. The lagging span is above the cloud and the crossover has already happened. So we need to wait for a breakout above 3577 levels to be able to be bullish on this stock. Let us go to our next stock, which is Soba. Soba is making a rising wedge channel. We can see that at 4 points, this stock has taken resistance. In case the stock manages to break the levels of 913, 915, or even if you want more safety, let it cross the level of 970. Once it crosses 970, the target of approximately 1200 would be more realistic. So you can see that the stock has been taking support from this channel since the month of August, then again in the month of October last year, November once again, December, couple of days here in January as well, and then it is nearing a resistance. So in case if we see some green candles here in the coming days, and if the breakout is successful above the level of 915, we can as well sit on the bullish side in this stock. Let us see the Ichimoku analysis. Yes, the candle is very much above the cloud. Here we can see that probably the stock would turn green maybe in a couple of days if the trend is bullish. The crossover has happened before, and the lagging span is just touching the candle and trying to come out of the candles, which is a good sign. Let us see our next stock, which is Bharti Airtel. Now in Bharti Airtel, again the stock is making a rising wedge channel, and we can see clearly that it has taken support many times, and then now we can see that it is making an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let us see how. So here we join these points. See, now the stock has given a breakout here in this candle and again retested the same level. Now with the stop loss of this level, which is 720, we can take long calls here. The levels for the long calls would be approximately 760 levels. So we can write this stock once we have a bullish candle here to the levels of 760, 762. Let us see the Ichimoku analysis. Okay, the candle has been rejected by the cloud. Now we only take the trade once the candle successfully closes above the cloud. We might also wait for the cloud to be green. And if we see properly, the lagging span is currently above the cloud and the price. So most important is that this candle, next candle, closes above the cloud, and then we can take a long call on this. Let us see our next stock, which is Titan. Now in Titan, we can clearly see that it has made a double top pattern at these levels and faced a rejection with bearish candles. So the next level, next target for this stock can be the level of 2550. And once it breaches this level, the stock can then test the level of 2340. Let us see the Ichimoku analysis. The closing is well above the cloud is green, the breakout has already happened, the lagging span is over the pricing and the cloud. So probably the stock can be a little bearish for some time, maybe to the levels of 2550, and then let's take a call based on the price movement. Let us see the next stock, which is Ambuja Cement. Here we can see that there is a falling wedge pattern which the stock is realistically following from a long time and taking support at these levels and resistance at the above levels. So we feel that here, if you see, the stock has made a bullish engulfing candle. So a target of approximately around 410 is realistically possible in this stock. Once this level is breached, our next target based on a harmonic analysis could be 425 levels. Let us see the harmonic Ichimoku analysis. The cloud is just broken above. The closing of the stock is just broken above the candle. The lagging span is inside the cloud. So we need to wait a little bit so that this lagging span comes out of the cloud, and here we can see the green cloud. Let us go to Havels. In Havels, we are seeing a triangle breakout. Now you can see that the stock has taken support at these levels here. So either we can wait for the stock to come and retest these levels and then take a buying call. Otherwise, if this level is breached, which is 1300, then the stock might fall to a level of 1252. In case we get a breakout above this level, which is 1360, these levels, then we can sit on the stock for long calls. Let us see the Ichimoku analysis. The stock is still below the cloud. Even the lagging span is below the cloud. So important in this stock is basically to wait for the stock to either break out this 1360 level successfully or give us a bearish candle at these levels to go short in this stock. I hope you guys have got a good insight into how these stocks are going to perform in near future in this week. Do let us know in the comments if you have any doubts. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.